Welcome back, creators! We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated angle grinders. Buying the best angle grinder is a great investment if you enjoy DIY tasks. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks such as cutting, grinding, and sanding. It also makes many DIY projects easier to accomplish. However, finding a good angle grinder can be difficult if you aren't familiar with a power tool. That is why our team provided you with a list of the 7 top-rated angle grinders available on the market today. The team at trustedshopguy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the angle grinders that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first angle grinder in our list is the DEWALT angle grinder. The DEWALT angle grinder provides maximum safety when in use thanks to its quick release and tool-free protective guard adjustment feature. It also has a 405-watt motor, which is as powerful as a cordless model can get. As for the size, it measures 15.63 by 5.94 by 4.81 inches and weighs 6.2 pounds. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the DEWALT angle grinder a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: dust ejection system. The dust ejection system extends the life of the metal grinder by ejecting harmful dust and debris particles. Large spiral bevel gear. It has a large spiral bevel gear that provides long transmission life. One-touch guard. With a one-touch guard, you can rotate the guard 360 degrees in a single action. Quick change wheel release. It incorporates a quick change wheel release that permits wheel removal without a wrench and without using any tools. Protected top-mounted spindle lock button. The protected top-mounted spindle lock button optimizes cut depth without sacrificing durability. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the guard is quite thick, so you have to hold it at a 45-degree angle. Otherwise, the corners of the guard will touch and scratch the work surface. The second angle grinder in our list is the Skil angle grinder. The Skil angle grinder in current manufacturing is extremely robust and one of the most powerful power tools available. It has all of the features you'd expect from a high-quality tool and can be used for a variety of DIY home tasks. In terms of size, it measures 11.18 by 3.03 by 3.94 inches and weighs 5.69 pounds. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Skil angle grinder a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 3-position side handle. It includes a 3-position side handle so you can find the optimal position for your job. Onboard wrench storage. The onboard wrench storage is conveniently located inside the handle for easy access. Dual function lock-on switch. It contains a dual function lock-on switch that prevents inadvertent startup and keeps it locked on for long periods. Industry-leading battery technology. The angle grinder has industry-leading battery technology that surrounds each cell in cooling material to keep the battery running for a 25% longer runtime and a 2x battery life. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it does include a case. The third angle grinder in our list is the WORCRAFT angle grinder. This angle grinder comes with a quick clamp disc protective cover for convenient mounting. It is great for sanding and polishing a wide range of materials such as metal, tiles, concrete, and other solid materials. It is also perfect for grinding and cutting tasks. As for the size, it measures 15.7 by 9.8 by 5.1 inches and weighs 10.41 pounds. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the WORCRAFT angle grinder a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: safety switch. It has a safety switch to prevent unintended starting. Built-in electronic protection procedure. The angle grinder has a built-in electronic protection procedure inside to avoid overloading and overheating. Side lockable switch. It features a slide lockable switch for a long time of comfortable working. Auxiliary handles. The angle grinder has 2 positions located on auxiliary handles for comfortable handling by a right-handed and left-handed person. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, there's no soft start, no speed control, and no electronic brake. The fourth angle grinder in our list is the Porter cable angle grinder. The Porter cable angle grinder has a high-performance motor that produces 8,500 revolutions per minute for aggressive cutting, removal, and finishing. It also has a cast metal gear housing that helps disperse heat when operating the metal grinder for long periods. In terms of size, it measures 15.31 by 6 by 6 inches and weighs 6.75 pounds. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Porter cable angle grinder a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: contoured overmolded handle. The angle grinder's contoured overmolded handle is designed for maximum comfort. Spindle lock. It incorporates a spindle lock that makes changing wheels quick and uncomplicated. 3-position side handle. The 3-position side handle provides control in multiple positions. Tool-free guard. It boasts a tool-free guard that allows for quick and easy guard adjustments. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the battery and charger are sold separately. The fifth angle grinder in our list is the Metabo angle grinder. The Metabo angle grinder's powerful motor can drive the wheel at high speeds, allowing you to cut, grind, and sand through even the toughest materials without breaking a sweat. So there's no denying that this is a tool designed for professionals like metal workers, plumbers, and electricians. As for the size, it measures 12.4 by 2.88 by 13 inches and weighs 6.96 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has ordered the Metabo angle grinder a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Metabo Quick System. The Metabo Quick System allows you to change wheels in a matter of seconds without the use of any tools. Has automatic safety slip clutch. It incorporates an automatic safety slip clutch on the bottom that helps you keep control while working on difficult tasks and reduces the risk of a kickback. Deadman paddle switch. The motor will be turned off when you remove the deadman paddle switch. Improved airflow cooler operation. It has an improved airflow cooler operation that improves durability in harsh environments. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's very small and compact, so if you have big hands, it could be a bit uncomfortable. The 6-angle grinder is the BOSCH angle grinder. The strong 6.0 amp motor in the BOSCH angle grinder provides all-day power. Metal workers, automobile fabricators, plumbers, and other professionals that use grinders regularly would benefit from this little but powerful tool. With a well-designed grip, a lock-on slide switch, a 2-position side handle, and 11,000 no-load revolutions per minute, this workhorse can get the job done. In terms of size, it measures 14.4 by 5.2 by 5.2 inches and weighs 3.08 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BOSCH angle grinder a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Epoxy-coated field windings. The field windings are epoxy-coated to protect the tool from abrasive dust and metal debris. Burst protection guard. It comes with a burst protection guard for user security. Sealed switch. A sealed switch on the angle grinder prevents dirt from entering the switch mechanism, extending tool life. Lock-on side switch. It has a lock-on side switch for continuous operation and is built to withstand the rigors of all-day use with minimal maintenance requirements. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the button to turn it on and keep it on can be hard to toggle sometimes. The 7th angle grinder in our list is the BLACK+DECKER angle grinder. This angle grinder can give the versatility and power that you need for many applications, including grinding, cutting, and more. It measures 12.5 by 5.19 by 4.63 inches and weighs 4.39 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BLACK+DECKER angle grinder a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 3-position handle. It boasts a 3-position handle that gives you plenty of options for the optimal grip. Adjustable side handle. The side handle can be adjusted to keep you in control. Spindle lock. It has a spindle lock that makes swapping out attachments a breeze. Convenient one-touch release switch. You can use the convenient one-touch release switch to power down fast. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the grinder is not meant for commercial use. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated angle grinders, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next angle grinder roundup, which you would like our team to test, to drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.